sunshine in the wood. Snow machines, everybody's out today. It's family day. Beautiful. Sun's shining. It's not too cold. I just figured I needed to get away from the office for the day and get some exercise, enjoy the sunshine. So, mission today is to get the wood room in the basement half full, possibly, and piled too, so that's going to take a bit more time. So I think I'm on my 10th haul to the wood chute. Life in Northern Ontario. Let's get the wood. Yeah, we picked up wood all through the summer when we would go out on our excursions in the bush. When we would go fishing, hunting, and camping. Always have the chainsaw with us, so. And then we have a couple of older folks that live around us that have big properties, and they're always out walking in their property. And so they'll call us up and ask us if we can go and cut down some of their old trees that they're a little bit concerned might fall while they're walking. So that's another way how we get our free wood. And I think we harvested about 16 cords in 2019, and we still have a pile of it. Like, we're running out of room in the yard, pretty much. We need some more property, but maybe that'll happen in the future, because we'd like to have more of a homesteading life with more chickens. I don't know, he wants a horse, but I'm afraid of horses. And then we had our bunny Willis. We had to give him to the bunny rescue because he became a violent little bunny and was biting us. So he's gone to a happy new home. And so we just have the 3 chickens and a cat now. Good morning, girls. How are you today? Hi, Phyllis, Reggie, Beatrice. Any eggs today? Let's go check. Let's go check and see any eggs. Oh, it's dirty in here from the dirt bath. Looks like Daddy took it out there. Oh, there's Gretchen's eggie. It's normally much more blue tinge. And it's a Beatrice egg. Thank you, girls. Thank you. But getting her done. Getting some exercise. It's my mission for this year is to lose some weight, quit smoking, live a healthier and more productive life in general, do some learning, take some courses, watch more how-to videos on YouTube, save some cash, and start planning better for retirement, I guess, because I'm 40 now, so it's gonna come fast. So this is the wood chute, conveniently on the outside of the house, so I don't have to be dragging it through the house. And it goes way back in there. And I piled that stuff up nice and tidy the other day. So now I'm getting more wood put in and gonna be piling it later on. So fun times. I could do this all day. Look at, she came out of the coop. Just checking stuff out, eh, Gretchen? Oh, there's gonna go back in now. I had enough of the snow on my toes. So yeah, I've been just spending some time outside, piling wood, putting wood into the wood room in the basement, getting some exercise, enjoying this beautiful family day of 2020, and hanging out with the girls too. Cleaned up the window on the coop, took some poop out. Hi, Gretchen. Got 2 eggs today. Hi, ladies. Mommy cleaned up your window for you to peek out, eh? Yes. Hi, Phyllis. What are you doing, Gretchen? So it's a little bit tidier in here. I think I gotta still tackle the bottom part there, clean that up. So I've been using the Made in the Bottle from Tiber River Naturals. So it's all natural, all-purpose cleaner, so that I won't harm them in any way. Hi. You love hanging out with Mommy today, eh? Yeah, I think it's because they know that I brought in spinach. So you gotta see this. You coming up for the spinach? Don't worry, I'm gonna get it out. Put you down for a sec. Oh, who's getting spinach? Who wants it first? Phyllis? Oh, Philly. Here, baby. Here, bee. There you go. Ah! We love it. And Gretchen's got hers down there. Here, Gretchy. Here, you want more, bee? Or Phyllis? Here, Gretchy. We love their spinach. Good stuff. Greens are good for you. Yes. Good for you to lay eggs. Thank you for the eggs today. Got 2 eggs today. Still waiting on Phyllis's egg. Here, girls. You're crazy over spinach. So yes, this is my family day. And I just have to spend a little bit of time with my cat Bella and Alex when he gets home from work. Okay. Happy family day.